Hey guys, today we're going to make 3-ingredient chocolate. Homemade chocolate. Have you ever made it before? I'm not a big chocolate person, but I love this chocolate. Could be because
who knew?
Coconut. I know. I'm not a big, the name brand candy bars and all of those, but
I am.
Yes, he is. But this stuff right here, I'll show you how to make it. First off, we're going to take equal amounts. I'm just making a little bit, just a 1/4 cup of 3 ingredients. So a 1/4 cup of powdered sugar going in. And a 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa, whichever you choose. This one is just regular, and this one is the special dark. And if you guys have been here before, you know Billy likes the dark chocolate. So we're going to just sift that, same amount, 1/4 cup, into the powdered sugar. Look at that. Now, I haven't made it with the dark chocolate, but I did make it with the other. Delicious.
She says delicious.
Yes. So we'll see what goes on here. Get that all in there.
If y'all have ever had a Mounds bar, this is what it tastes like.
That other tasted like the Mounds, and this here will probably just, I don't know how bitter it'll be, but you can always add more powdered sugar if you want. The sugar to your taste, okay? If you want it more bitter. And I'll show you. I made a low-carb version earlier. I used Swerve powdered sugar, confectioner sugar, and this is what I made, little bars, and I put some pecans in them. Now that sugar right there, it's gritty, so I don't know if you can heat that with the coconut oil that I'm going to put in, and maybe melt this a little bit, because this is a baking sugar, and do it that way. Maybe take the grittiness away, and it's low carb, 3 ingredients. How great! And then you can add nuts or some unsweetened coconut in it. All right. So I have the powdered sugar and the unsweetened chocolate, 1/4 cup of each. And then I'm going to put in the same amount of coconut oil. Now, I will tell you on this, if you use the refined, it's going to taste like chocolate should. If you use the unrefined, like we like, that's the real coconut flavor. So you choose whatever you want. Billy wants the coconut flavor because it does taste like the Mounds candy bar. So that's it. Have you some silicone molds or some parchment paper? You can just, put it out, make a little parchment paper mold in a little pan, and you just stir it together like that.
It don't get much simpler than that.
It does not. For homemade chocolate, yeah. Look how dark that is. So like I said, I haven't used the dark on the chocolate before, but
you might want to taste it and see if it needs a little more.
You might want to.
Sugar.
You might want to.
I might.
Here, taste that.
Oh, no, that's perfect.
Well, listen there. Perfect. First time. 1/4 cup of each. Now, silicone molds. I'm using this. This here is just an ice cube mold for like water bottles. And pecans. You want some pecans. I don't have any almonds. Almonds would be good in it.
Mm-hmm.
Pecans, you want them just laying in there and covering it, or you just want me to mix them into the chocolate?
Whichever.
I'm just going to lay them in there.
That's what I do.
What? I'm going to do the same thing you would? There's no way.
Oh, yeah.
I can't believe that.
We think alike.
You stink. I'll put some in there, and you can, like I said, you can put some coconut in this if you want. Or, like I said, this here is the coconut flavor one. The other I have refined, has no coconut smell or just a very slight taste, maybe. Okay, this is strong tasting.
Which I like.
It's what we use in our coffee.
Mm-hmm. It's good in your coffee.
So let's see if I can get some of this in here without spilling every bit of it. But, you know.
Good luck.
You know me. Trying to at least do it like this is.
Mm-hmm.
Couldn't see me.
You're hiding. I'm excited.
All right, guys.
Now, when you want a piece of chocolate, you just whip it up real quick.
Yeah. If you have those ingredients, and, you know, pretty simple.
Mm-hmm.
And we always have those ingredients on hand. Those are staples in this house. So.
Mm-hmm. We likes it.
And that made all of those. So.
Well, there you go. So, 1/4 cup of each.
Yep. I made Easter rabbits for the ladies at the, or the people, I shouldn't say ladies. There's other people there, guys, too, at the YMCA. And they liked it. I made little bunny rabbits.
You'll have to make them one of these and see if they like that.
All right, guys, I'm going to put these in the refrigerator, easy for you to say, and show you what they look like when they come out and do a taste test. All right, took it out of the refrigerator. Let's pull this out. I put nuts on top and on the bottom, and I'm going to taste it.
Look at that. Breaks like a piece of chocolate.
Mm-hmm. Tastes like a piece of chocolate. That I actually like.
That's saying something.
It is. I can eat this homemade chocolate because I know there's 3 ingredients. I don't know what all's in that other stuff. I'm not a big fan, as you guys know. But this stuff right here, awesome. Although, I like it better with just the regular cocoa. And they still call that dark chocolate. So, I don't know this, you know, how they have the different percentage. 73% cacao, 80%. This one is like the higher in that. This one is perfect. So, guys, give it a try if you want it more sweet. Put you some more powdered sugar in it. That's all you got to do. 3 ingredients. Coconut oil, unsweetened cocoa, powdered sugar. Awesome.
It don't get any easier than that,
It
does
doesn't get any easier. So, guys, let me know if you make it or if you have made it. And I have seen, instead of using powdered sugar, that people have used honey in it or maple syrup, or syrup. I'm from the South down here, Southern Ohio. Syrup, maple syrup. So if you guys have used any of those, let me know how you like that. So it's all a matter of taste. And like I said, I put pecans in it. You can put some coconut in it, whatever you want. So give us a like, comment, share, subscribe, please, and help us grow. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith Show. Homemade 3-ingredient chocolates.